Hello, Southwest. It's the Mrs. McCartneys here. We're coming to you today about AMI Day 35. This week has been a week of making charts and graphs and answering questions about how life at home has changed for you since the pandemic. And today's assignment is about making memories. You do not have a final project due today or a final a question of the day, no final product. It's about you taking some time with your family, playing some games, making some memories. And so what I want to do today, with the help of my sidekick here, Mrs. McCartney, I want to give you some ideas for some other games you might be able to play. If you we love Yahtzee, we love card games, we love those sorts of things. But what if you don't have a Yahtzee at home, or maybe you do have some cards and there are lots of good card games out there. And so I want to give you some ideas, some things that you might be able to do with your smartphone or whatever. So, and I will share a screen with you here in a little bit. And so you can take a picture of it. You can pause the video and it'll give you some, you can write these things down and have them for you. So one of the things that I want us to demonstrate for you is a game called Heads Up. And this is an app you can download to your phone. And it's just a lot of fun. So we're going to see here. So
we've chosen a category. It's called branded. So one person would have it on their forehead where I cannot see it. And the other person is going to try to describe it, and I need to try to guess.
Here we go. Ready? It's a credit card.
Discover, MasterCard, Visa.
Visa. That's it. This is a kind of car. It's expensive.
Lexus.
Yes,
Mercedes.
Lexus. Good. This is, it's the Doughboy.
Pillsbury Doughboy.
Yes. Ooh, these are, you eat these in the movies. They're chocolate with caramel on the inside.
Rolos.
Oh, no, the other little bitty ones, they look like little peanut kind of things. They're about the size of a peanut. They're chocolate on the outside. Chocolate on the outside and caramel on the inside. They're little bitty, about the size of a peanut.
Pass.
Oh, you only have 9 seconds.
So then if you don't get it, then it'll count you down.
Can you turn it up and pass? If you go up, does it pass?
Maybe.
Oh, that was correct. It was Milk Duds.
Oh, I like those. That's surprising.
She likes Milk Duds. I thought that. I guess I should have said, and you like them too. All right. There's another app that you can download that I think they're made by the same company, and it's called Charades. And that one, you can't talk. You still do the same sort of thing. You're still trying to guess, but and you can play it with teams where you have a whole team trying to guess, but you act everything out. You can have movie titles and things like that, but you can't talk.
You could also do the same thing with Pictionary, where one person is drawing it and someone has to guess.
Yes.
So all the same kind of thing where you have a thing and you're either describing it, acting it out, or drawing it.
They're so much fun. We've laughed so much over things like that. All right. So let me share a screen with you. I want to show you some others that you might want to use. I know that a lot of you love to play Uno. And so but what if you don't have any Uno cards? And I know from having the board games and card games clubs that a lot of people love Uno. That's always the most popular one. So if you don't have any Uno cards, you can use just regular playing cards. So you would have the numbers 2 through 10.
You can get regular playing cards, a 2-pack at the Dollar Tree for $1. You can also get dice, which we'll talk about in a second. As many as you need for the Farkle game that you see for $1 at Dollar Tree.
She knows all those good things. So for Uno with regular playing cards, you would use 2 through 10, the numbers as usual. You might want to make the jacks a draw 2, the queens a draw 4, the kings a reverse, the aces your skip cards, and then your jokers could be your wild cards. So if you want more than 2, there's only 2 jokers in a regular deck. So if you have more than 1 deck, you could pull the jokers out. So you would have 4 jokers. So that would be 4 wild cards. I would suggest you write this down on some paper, and so everybody can look at the paper and see what equals what. But it's a great way if you've got regular playing cards that you can still play Uno. And instead of choosing a color, if you had to draw 4, instead of using a color, you could just say, I call clubs, or I call spades, or hearts, or what's that other one?
Diamonds.
Diamonds, yeah, that's the one. All right. Another idea is Farkle. And here's a picture. You want to just Google Farkle Rules. It uses 6 dice, and that you can get at Dollar Tree for $1. And a piece of paper, pencil, or pen. You get keep score, so you're just rolling dice. Is there anything you want to tell them about this game? Other than you have to roll a 1 or a 5, correct?
So if I were to take these 6 dice and roll them, oh, well, I don't have a 1 or a 5 at all. I've rolled all 6 dice. So I call Farkle, I get no points.
And it's my turn.
And it goes on to the next person. So say the other Miss McCartney rolls her dice. Oh, she has a 5. She's going to keep that 5 out and roll the rest of them. Now, she didn't get a 1 or a 5. She doesn't get any points. So when you Google Farkle Rules, there are some YouTube videos that are already made. There could be some variations. Some people say you have to get 500 points to even get on the scorecard.
Oh, wow. Some
people say that's, you don't need to do that. But as a general rule, the picture that we have for you, those are just some basic rules. So game of strategy, what are you going to keep? And who gets to 10,000 points first?
And when do you stop rolling? Right? I could have a whole bunch of ones, and I decide to roll it one more time. And if I don't get a 1 or a 5, I have to call Farkle, and I get no points. So look at that one. That one looks like a lot of fun, and it's easy. So then at the bottom of this page, I have the Heads Up. That's an app. Charades is an app. If you've ever played Categories, that one's a lot of fun. There's an app for Categories, so you can play with your family as well. You can also always look up just some rules for other card games. If you like to play like Spades or Go Fish. Absolutely.
Easy.
You could even do Old Maid, probably. You could pick like if you want an ace to be the Old Maid, take out the other aces and only have one of those. And the only other thing that I was thinking, what else? There was something else that we play that we can, Village Idiot. That's a fun game for cards. And you can also Google Village Idiot rules. So some ideas, always fun. Get a group of people that you love to play with, and in this case, it would be your family since we're in quarantine. But enjoy your time, enjoy your Friday, your weekend, play some games, have a great time. And thank you to my sidekick for helping me out tonight.
No problem. Have fun. You have to click stop share.
Yeah. There we go.
And then end meeting.
Oh, there we are.
She's never done this before.
Not with a share. Bye, guys.
You still have to click end meeting.